Alright, y'all, welcome to another episode of Chowtime with Chau. I'm your host, Chau. Alright, this is a walk-in edition. We're going to Pineapple Express Rice Bowls. It is in front of the neighborhood, so we're gonna go walk and get some. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Great, man. Alright, so I got a pineapple Dole Whip. We eating gorilla style on the way back, and this is freaking delicious. Make sure you ever get a chance to eat it. Get the pineapple Dole. I'll show you the food truck here. It's kind of hard with the sun in the way, but we're waiting for my food. I got a express bowl with steak and the original sauce. Alright, y'all, back home. I'm actually in my rocking chair, my front porch, and I got steak with white rice, and it comes with pineapple, red onions, red peppers, green onions. Look how good that looks. Also got the regular sauce. This thing's fantastic. Alright, y'all, so the original sauce is a little bit of teriyaki and yum yum sauce, and they also have spicy mayo on top. It was a great combination bowl. I'll give it a 8.7 out of 10. Definitely would eat again. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And remember, it's just me hanging out, man, in my rocking chair. Remember, it's always chow time. And this is where they're normally located.